What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that your email is set up for you to receive the notifications. Now, if you're using the funnel and you've corrected your lead page, you already have your new list. We did that in the last video, so I showed you how to set up your new list to connect your lead page, which is at the front of your funnel. But if you want to receive email notifications or messages when somebody goes through your funnel, you'll need to make sure that you have your email set up. So how to do that? In your Builderall dashboard, you're going to open up the drag and drop email marketing automation Mail Boss. You'll click on that. Once that opens up, click on list. Click on list again right at the top and look for the list you made. So for this example, I know I did new for Sage members. So go to your list that you created for the funnel, and then let's go down. You'll see a few buttons right here. And let's click on email pages configuration. Now, this is very important because you want to make sure that you receive all of the messages, right? So once you open this up, your current list, click on the button that says update. It's a box right here. You'll see it to the left. Click on update. And then you'll see general data. So it'll ask you for the name of your list, display name, description, all of that's correct. But the important thing is advanced and notifications. So first, let's click on advanced. Advanced just checks the opt-in. If you want to send them an email, which I do, I want the email to go to them. I have that set up, right? We already have an email in place. So I'm going to select welcome email. So that will make sure that they get the welcome email that's attached to the funnel. And I'll double back to make sure my from name is correct. I'll make sure my from email is correct. And I think I want that to actually be this one. So from email sender. And where I want them to reply to is right here. So just confirm this is correct. Now, if you created your list, you already did this stuff. This is just confirming. The important thing is you want to make sure your welcome email is checked. But after you go through this, you can go ahead and put a subject if you want to put that in there. You can create a tag, and I also highly suggest you send this data to your CRM. Now, even though you aren't using the CRM yet, it's a tool that eventually you will use. So you might as well start getting the data to go there. So make sure that send data to Builderall CRM is selected and click on save changes. So once your changes are saved, scroll back down. Now here's the big thing, notifications. Click on notifications and you want to be notified when somebody subscribes. So select yes and the email where you want to be notified at. Totally up to you. This is very important if you want the messages to come through to you. If they unsubscribe, you can be notified. I choose no. I don't really care when people unsubscribe. I only care when they do subscribe. So click on yes, put the email you want to be notified. And when they confirm, you can also be notified. So I don't really care too much to check and see if they unsubscribe or confirm. I rather know that somebody subscribed, they went through, and then I can follow up. So totally up to you. But the one that you really need is this, subscribe yes. Once you have that with your email, click on save changes. Very simple. So now the form is set up for you. It's linked to you. And the best way to make sure this works is to go through your funnel. So go ahead and type in, go for sage.com or whatever your link is, and then enter test name. Get instant access. All right, then it pushes you through. And I'm looking at my phone. Yep, I just received a notification. So that's how you set it up. That's how you make sure, you capture their information. They go to the next page and you're also notified every time somebody signs up. Guys, this is really important. This is the power of automation. This is how you know when somebody puts their email in, then you know they're watching it. So you can be ready to follow up. You don't have to sit by your phone and say, hey, did you watch it? Did you watch it? Wait till you get that email confirmation that somebody has subscribed. And then you can go ahead and reach out to them in about 10 or 15 minutes. So I hope this video was informative. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.